back to my channel. Today we're making oat milk. As always, all ingredients will be listed below. This time I'm also listing it above, so that way it's a little bit helpful for you all. We're literally going to put all the ingredients in a blender, blend for a couple of minutes, and we're going to strain using a small strainer, or also you're going to use a cloth strainer, whatever works for you. Using the strainer, it takes a little bit longer, but if you use a cloth strainer, it's much faster, and you don't really have to strain 2-3 times. One time is perfect. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This was very quick and easy. You can always make almond milk as well. I may record a video for almond milk if you guys are interested. Let me know in the comments below. Bye.